how to make a logo with Fiverr AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo using Fiverr's AI Logo Maker. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open any browser and go to fiverr.com/logo-maker. And you can use their free trials to create your logo and see what works best for you. Just check the description below to try it for free, and if you sign up using the link down there, you'll unlock some amazing discounts on their pricing. Once the page loads, click on the Make Your Logo button. Here appears the two text boxes. Now, enter your brand name in the text box, for example Jack Tech, and then Tis Solgan. Once you are done, click Next. You'll be asked to choose your industry from a list. Select the one that best fits your brand. Next, you'll be asked to describe your brand's element that you would like to put in your logo. Just pick a few words that reflect the look and feel you're going for. Then choose the logo styles you like by clicking on the sample logos that appeal to you. Once that's done, click Next. Then define your brand's personality. And finally, click on Make Your Logo. Fiverr AI will start generating logos for you. Just wait a few seconds. You'll now see a range of custom logo options created based on your inputs. Scroll through them and click on any logo to preview and customize it. You can change the font, icon, color, layout, and more until you're happy with the design. Once you're done customizing, click on Continue to move forward and purchase or download your logo package. And that's it. That's how easily you can create a stunning logo using Fiverr AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.